Will AI replace you at your job? The simple answer is yes. But till the end of this video, I will prove my own statement wrong. Firstly, I will explain what is AI in simple words and what's the story behind it. The concept of artificial intelligence is 60 plus years old, but it was just not that good. AI works just like our human brain, but it has way more capacity to hold and process data and recognize patterns and solve complex problems around it. Fast forward to the recent times, there is a company called OpenAI that was initially backed up by everyone's favorite Twitter user and abuser, Elon Musk. But he backed out, and with the constant support of another market giant, Microsoft, OpenAI managed to put out some amazing projects like dall-e and GPT. But the company caught the attention of the mass audience with the recent launch of ChatGPT 3. ChatGPT 3, in simple words, is your personal assistant who can talk to you, answer your questions, solve your assignments and problems. It's just Google but way better, and it's still in beta. So the future for ChatGPT is pretty good. In fact, it led to digital cold war between Google and Microsoft to survive this AI wave. There are many day-to-day benefits of these AI tools over human workforce. Like, for example, if you own a company and you need a social media guy to handle your socials, you put up a job opening and got 500 applicants to choose from. That in itself is a major task, but let's say you find the one. Now, comparing it to AI tools combined, Midjourney plus ChatGPT. The designer would take hours to create a social media post, while it takes seconds to generate a graphic via Midjourney and SEO-friendly caption plus hashtags via ChatGPT. The designer would charge like $20 to $25 per hour, whereas Midjourney plus ChatGPT won't cost you more than $60 per month for unlimited usage. But there is a twist. Most of you will see AI tools as a clear winner here, but it's not the case. Let me give you a YouTube example. Famous YouTubers KSI and Logan Paul fought a boxing match that generated a huge profit for both of them, and both of them had their own strengths. So in 2021, they decided to combine those strengths to launch a drink company together that is now a big banger. Same goes in the case of AI tools and human workforce. They can work on their own, but if they join forces, they can do even better. These AI tools got all the data, but it still needs a human to get the right data to get into work. And that's what a prompt engineer does. And you might be confused what a prompt engineer is. We all know a prompt engineer from our childhood, from a famous cartoon show, Doraemon, the man, the myth, the legend, Nobita. He indeed was a prompt engineer, but a bad one. He had Doraemon, who could possibly have gadgets for anything, but Nobita was not smart enough to ask for the right ones for the right situations. So eventually, Nobita's problems were never solved. And for being a prompt engineer, the only thing you need to know other than your expertise in a certain field is English language to talk to AI. You don't need coding languages anymore to talk to these machines. And with this, we have already eliminated one major fear amongst people, that they need to learn machine learning or coding to learn about AI and work with AI. And the second thing I found people talking about is that they will find a different field where AI can't compete, so that they can survive without learning the new technology. But according to me, this will only leave them running a race against machines, and these machines run on a never-ending training data. And also, a major fun fact, most of these people are not even that good enough to be replaced in the first place. And I can totally understand. It's a basic human behavior. Whenever people find a new technology or an unfamiliar thing, they get uncomfortable. But choice is yours. Evolve or be extinct. Other than English, the skill you can still focus on learning to come out as a winner is building an audience, because AI will have a very hard time doing that. And to prove the first statement of this video wrong, AI will not replace your job. People who know how to use AI will.